Everyone, is Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching our video, please do well to like, subscribe and share. Okay, so basically today we are going to be talking about how to analyze charts, right? And also there are going to be timestamps on the video description in case you want to skip or like next to the any parts you literally want to listen to or understand better. Do well to use the timestamp at the video description. So basically this trade I took it today, right? This is 75 or 70 pips trade, right? Just risking 13 pips. So I will show you guys how to analyze chart. How did I take this trade, right? How did I come about analyzing this chart to take this trade? This is basically the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go over to the 4-hourly time frame. Overall, this trade has been discussed in our VIP group on Sunday, right? So I told them about this trade. So I'll be going to my let me go and show you guys. Let me go to my Google photo my photos currently to show you guys what I'm talking about, right? So I'll be putting my device in auto rotation so you see it clearly. Okay, so basically this was it, right? This was this chart Euro USD on Sunday. As you can see, price come. I told them expect price lower, then you see that move to the upside. Okay, see when it was starting, you can see the time yesterday. Look at the time, guys. Look at the time here. Yesterday by 9:05 p.m. that was when this screenshot was taken. So, and as you can see, current price action now. Oh, sorry, this Telegram. Let's go to trading view. Now you can see current price action. This is the current price action. You can see the time now. What is the time? This is Monday, August 29 by 1:10 p.m. GMT. You understand? So people will be like, how did you analyze this chart? How did you know that this move will happen? Like, that is what I'll be explaining in this video. And this move that literally just happened. Let me drop down to the 1 hour time frame so that you will see clearly. Overall, it's all about your daily bias, right? What you actually program for the day, like what are you looking out for the day. And this trade, believe me, this trade bias was very easy and simple for me today. Although this is Monday, I did not really take the trades, but some people actually took the trade because I dropped it in our Telegram. So do well to join our Telegram channel because I dropped the trade there, both the VIP group and in the normal groups, right? And I also thought what made me took this trade, the in-depth in our Telegram VIP group. You understand? And also I'll be dropping a Twitter link in case you want to see the screenshot properly of this trade, like how it started and how it smashed TV. I'll be dropping the Twitter my Twitter link on the video description also, so that you can go to Twitter and see the images clearly if you want to see the images. You understand? But for now I'll just be teaching. So on the 15 minutes time frame, so basically I saw this move, right? I saw this move. Remember, I'm bullish on the daily. So this structure was broken. This size was taken out. So you can see there is a clear break of structure here. Although price later came down to take out the lows, but it wasn't more than necessary. Then you can see price also breaking structure again higher. So all these things is what you note. You can see this structure was literally broken. So if you entered from here, it was also you'd have also made money from this trade, right? So this is basically it. So I don't really have to draw it properly, but you're seeing it. You're seeing that yes, this is a clear uptrend, right? Price did not take out the lows, then price started rallying up, right? So dropping down to the 5 minutes time frame, you see everything clear. Some people took this London open sell, but in my VIP group I told them this sell will happen, but wait for price to come to your point of interest, then you can now sell to the upside. Let me show you guys the screenshot because so that you see everything clearly. Okay, this was on the daily candle. I will not explain that. Okay, see, basically initially early in the morning, look at how the trade was forming. Check the time here. This is 8:21, right? Price was rallying up, so I marked out this point of interest. You can see down here. So my trading plan was expecting price to come down here and push up, right? So you don't really need much to analyze, don't really need to draw much stuff. So as you can see, immediately price came down. I also, what was the time here? This is 9:15. Check time because price action is really time with respect to price is really important, right? You have to understand that concept. And also, if you literally want to learn more about this stuff, do well to contact me on my WhatsApp or Twitter or Telegram or Instagram. You understand? If you want to literally learn more and join our VIP mentorship group, do well to actually contact me, right? So I can see by 9:15 price came back down to our point of interest. So I did not really start buying from here. Even if I would take this trade, like, it's not advised you start buying from here. Like, once it's here, you start buying to the upside. No, even if you want to do it that way, cool. But like I told them, I told them why price is low. I told them selling this sell, the profit you make from this sell, you not compare to the profit you'll be making from this buy. I explained further and deeper for them. So as you can see, boom, TP was smashed. You understand? So if you want to see the images clearly and more, go to the Twitter handle and do well to also follow me. I'll be dropping it. You can see time by 12:22. That was when this literally occurred, and this was something I showed them on the daily time frame. So I don't really have, I will not elaborate more on this, but like, if you go down to, if you join the VIP group, or if you literally in our Telegram, you understand what happened on the daily time frame that give us much confluence to like take those buys currently. And overall, today might be a bearish day. Today might be a bearish day because I literally know this is a downtrend. If I draw my fib now currently, let me show you guys. If I draw my fib retracement to from here, from this side to this low, you can see that yes, price retrace as the 0.50 level on the 50s on the 15 minutes time frame. Price literally retrace to 50%. If you want to wait for it, you can literally wait for price to reach 0.62 or 0.75, then you now sell back, selling it down to these lows to wipe out these lows and go lower. Reason because this is a downtrend, right? And also I've done other videos teaching how to analyze charts more, so do well to watch those videos, right? Do well to watch those videos because they will teach you more. Actually, they will teach you more. So thank you for watching this YouTube video, and if you want to learn more, please do well to contact me, like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.